Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
आरजीपी युतीच्या विरोधातना आम्ही डिफेक्टर्सां आड आसात. युतीक फुडें सरिल्ल्या पक्षांनी फुटीराचे संदर्भात आपले मत स्पष्ट करचे म्हूण आरजीपीन आपले मत मांडिल्लें. आतां गोवा फॉरवर्डाचें स्पश्टीकरण.
That the candidate concerned is Prashant Naik. Isidore Fernandes has been taken into the party to ensure the victory of Prashant Naik, who is not a defector, who is originally the founder member of my party. He is also a man who has been in public life much before the RGP or the Goa Forward Party came into existence. So it is not a nobody. It is surely a somebody and who deserves to be there. But why are we coming together? We are coming together to defeat the BJP. To defeat the BJP, you cannot only come with theoretical knowledge. Practically, you have to defeat them. I have defeated the BJP 3 times. And I have not defeated them by any match fixing. The candidate against me has now become the president of the BJP state unit.
डिफेक्टर्सांक लागीं धरचे ना. लोक तांकां तांचो जागो दाखयतले, काँग्रेस फुडारी उलयले.
There's discussion, the Goa Forward Party, I will not comment, that is up to them. But I believe that the Congress has given a very clear message that any sort of defector will not be tolerated. This is something, whether directly, indirectly, Congress will not tolerate such type of defector. We are very clear about it.
You see, Congress Party not only now, but 2022च्या इलेक्शनांतल्यान our stand is clear. जे कोण डिफेक्टर आसा, ज्या लोकांनी पार्टी कडेन विश्वासघात केलो, असल्या लोकांक काँग्रेस पार्टी टिकीट दिवची ना आनी थंय तांकां फ्युचरय ना. दीस स्टँड हॅज बीन क्लियर्ड बाय आवर लीडर राहुल गांधी ऑल्सो.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.